Hi guys, I'm Vivienne and Mattel sent us Bobby's backpack for free. Yay! Thank you, Mattel. Let's see what's inside. But first, let me show you the back. Yes, it's Forky. We love Forky. Now let's check it out what's inside. I'm so happy to take it out. There you go. Yay! Here is Carnival. Do you see this picture? Yes, you can. And also, here is two. Wow, you can open like that? Cool. Yeah. Is some toys on the back. That's so cool.
Did you know that these are prizes for a game?
Yes, it's a game you can play.
Find the game then. Where is it?
I think it's over here, but where is it?
Open it. We'll see.
Hey,
Whoa! There's the game called Flipball.
yes! And also, here we got blind bags. They're Toy Story 4 figures, but we'll open it later.
Now let's play some Flipball. First, you have to remove the cover.
Okay.
Ooh, there's ping pong balls. So you have to throw those ping pong balls into the holes. So if you throw it into the Forky hole, you'll get the prize Forky. Now what are the prizes?
Woody, Forky, Ducky, Bunny, Buzz, and Jessie.
Oh, actually, Jessie isn't part of this game. That's why it says remove Jessie before playing.
Okay, let's remove. But here's Jukaboo hiding behind. And here is Bob. Let's play. Toss him. Never mind. I have to hit. Yay, got Forky. Now let's get Forky. Yeah, get Forky out. I guess you have to rip it more. Now it's Forky out. Here's our first prize. Now we try and toss it to arrows. I just missed. I want Buzz Lightyear. Yay! We got Buzz Lightyear. Now let's take Buzz Lightyear out. Wait, I see two tapes. One here and one here. Here is Buzz into Infinity and Beyond. Let's toss it. I want Woody now. I missed it. I always miss. Oh, now I just Why I keep losing? There you go. Yay! I got Woody. Now let's take Woody out. Now we got Woody out. Howdy, partner. Now let's get Bob. Yay! I got Bob. Now let's take Bob out.
First try.
Now we got Bob out, and also she have her stick. Here's the next prize. Only one hole left is Ducky and Bunny, so let's toss it. I have to throw it in the hole. Yay! We got Ducky and Bunny. So let's take both out. There. Dad, Ducky fell. That's okay. He's still alive. Now let's take Bunny out. Because he's sad that he's not alive. He fell again. But he's still alive too.
There's only one prize left, and it's Duke-a-Boom. But there isn't a hole for Duke-a-Boom. So, how do we get him? Simply, we just remove him from the wall.
Okay, cut her up. Hey. Duke-a-Boom is out now. He's happy. Thank you. here are also prizes from Bonnie's backpack. Thank you, Mattel, for sending all toys. And also they're possible. They can move arms, head, and the other arm, and also legs. Also, they can bend in the back or front. No, they can't. The same as Bunny and Ducky, and also other toys. Look, I can spin my head around. Yay! And I can do splits. And I can fly or not, but I can slowly too. They're flexible too. Yeehaw! And they're flexible too. As well.